Co-op is a partner and also a priority for us. After markets and CSA, we think about co-op. It benefits us tremendously, and also the community. They can shop for local produce pretty much every day of the week, and from plenty of different farms, including ours. And it definitely provides another venue for sales. It's good to diversify. Another tip for the young farmers. So it's great to have a local community-based store that helps all the farmers sell their produce.